Good morning, guys. Hello. Morning, 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 morning. Sorry I took so long. I was watching the new Prodigy RP trailer. Good morning, legends. Yeah, so the new Prodigy RP trailer just dropped, and crime is fully unlocked in the city. Che Razor, we should be live on. Are we not live yet on the old Kikirani? Must take a while to go live now. And there's some things I did like in the trailer. Shall we watch it? Oh, actually, nah. Yeah, probably gonna take a while to go live. I did push live on. Jeez, that's bloody hoo-ha, eh? Should I? I am on YouTube. Nah, we will just watch it, eh? Oh, later. But yeah, crime is fully... Yeah, bro, I did see that, bro. You didn't have to do that, my bro. Thank you, though. Like, genuinely, bro, you didn't have to do that one bit. I just sent your message and... Alright? Thank you, my bro. Let me turn our other camera on soon. So, something I'm keen to do in the city. So, they've added a new crime system, so... Weed's been unlocked, you know, open world, all of that, chopping, boosting's unlocked now, and sorry, be a whole can I have some super wines?
Is there simple?
Yeah, I got them for us for coffee. Yeah, so crime's fully unlocked in the city now, and the next update, B class cars are gonna be coming out, and also they've added poaching. So I want to do poaching on my character, because that's why I never got a hunting license, because I feel like poaching will provide more RP.
How many what?
Thank you. Yeah, so poaching's become a city thing in the city, and mushrooms, magic mushrooms. So I've got an idea of what I want to do with all that new update. Super wine, guys. One must always be careful when dunking with super wines due to the texture of the biscuit, and it may break if you leave it in too long. Okay, but still good. Yeah, bro. I'm keen as to do some magic mushies RP. Because I can dress up my character up as Super Mario and go around town. It'll just be a matter of trying to find it all. But you already know, bro. When I'm in the city again, I'm gonna go straight to the bush to look for some. You're gonna watch, probably not, my bro. I know it's at lunchtime, eh? After this, my bro, I'm gonna be straight into some other work as well. So I've got some offline work to do today. What's up, honey? What's up, random? Good morning from Australia. Morning, my bro. Shit, you're up early. You're up bloody early, my bro. How are we doing? I'm just having a coffee before we start. I'm bringing back coffee talk, guys, just to keep myself warm. Good morning from me and my grandpa. Morning, Red. How are you doing, my bro? Cheer, brother, low gains. Cheer, brother. Cheer, my bro. Good to see you. 6:43 here at the... Oh, true. Been up since 5. Oh, heck. You getting ready for work, my bro? Yes, I just have a bit of a flat white homemade coffee first, and then we'll get into it, eh? Morning from the UK. Good evening, good afternoon. So yeah, it's been a busy morning, obviously, you know, making school lunches, getting the bags ready, school drop off baby to my mum's so I can stream, and here we are now. Here we are now, guys. So bit of a Pokemon TCG update. I have acquired 2 of my chase cards. I've acquired 2 of my chase cards, guys. And it is... if this bloody thing will load. It is a Bulbasaur and Ivysaur card. So we got that one. We got that Bulbasaur. And we got this Ivysaur. The hardest one to get is going to be the Mega Venusaur card. That's going to be the hardest one to get. If you want to buy that as a single, it's like 400 and something. But there's Mega Evolution booster packs that could have their Venusaur card. What Pokemon series are you collecting? Kanto, my bro. I'm a Kanto fan. Through and through, my bro. Kanto and Johto. Yeah, I love those 2 generations in particular, my bro. But I'm more, you know, just like any other card collector. I'm still fairly new to it. If you haven't already, please go through and give Bearded Dad Cards a follow on Instagram. He's almost at 1 million followers. Let me check, he might be at 1 million now. He's at 999. Yeah, he's at 999,000. So please go through and give him a follow. Should I do an Instagram story? Full timer for Brooks now. Go on. Joe Vix. What Pokemon? Yeah, so the Pokemon series that I'm kind of keen to just collect for now is just some of my favorites from Gen 1. So the 3 starters, and Nidoking's another one of my favorites too. Who else? Mewtwo, probably my favorite legendary out of all of them. Who would be my second? Probably Kyogre, because he looks like a whale. And Entei's another one too out of the 3. And what's that other one called? The Triceratops Entei? I like that one. And Rayquaza. Shiny Rayquaza goes hard, eh? So yeah, but at the moment I'm not trying to rush. I just want to get some cool art cards of the 3 starters. So I'm two out of how many right now? And then after that, I'll try and get some cool looking Nidoking cards. Well, full box of packs sealed. It's the Temporal Force. I think it's 30 plus packs in there. Got them from my youngest, but she lost interest. Oh, true. Yeah, that's the only reason why I'm getting into Pokemon TCG as well, is because my daughter actually started getting into it. Her favourites are Psyduck and Charizard, and my other daughter, she likes Pikachu. How's the luck going with the Charmander? And no luck yet, my bro. Did a couple resets last night. Bro, we were watching this out the gate documentary, eh? About this lady from Oklahoma that faked being, you know, hapu or pregnant. And oh man, it got pretty grim, eh? She had like 30 different phones to pretend, you know, she was living this secret life. And yeah, I just got real out the gate. Like, her friend was pregnant at the same time as well, but the person had lost her baby, and so she was googling and watching her, and she took the baby like out of the mum, and I was like, oh my gosh, it was too much for me. It was too much. Yeah, bro. It's I gotta say, man, shiny hunting starters is so hard, so hard. Loves Pokemon, but not Temporal Forces. He loves Gengar. True. I didn't realize how much of a how much people loved Gengar. Hey, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And you know he's a Kanto Pokemon, so I think that's even cooler. Yeah, I'm very, very biased towards Kanto, guys. I do apologise if you are pro other generations. Yeah, Kanto and Johto, my all-time favourites. This is pretty much just me, but I kind of started losing interest in the Pokemon games after Johto. And I gotta say, man, this Sprite game fell off after Gen 2. The sprites just weren't that cool anymore. Say hello to Bob, W-Mans. Open this app first stream and jackpot. Hey, what's up, Slan Tiger? Cheer my bro. There we go. Here's our second camera view. Yeah, bro, I'm the same, ethics. I'm the same, my bro. I played it, bro, and I was like, fuck, I'm not enjoying this. Like, don't get me wrong, from the other generations, there are some pretty cool looking Pokemon. I will say that. But yeah, for me personally, I just started not enjoying it. It's two different Charizard X cards in the same time about 10 years ago. Yo, nice! Yeah, one of the bros, he cracked open a Phantasmal Flames booster. And wasn't the secret art Charizard he got, but he got a Mega Charizard card in the Froakie. But some felt just a bit silly. I gotta say, man, that that Apple Dragon is something else, eh? Have you guys seen that Apple Dragon Pokemon? What was Gen 4? Is that Tepig and all of them? That's probably the one generation I know the least about. Was a Dragon type 2. Yeah, bro, I was so surprised by that combo, eh? Who's some of my favorites? So like, some of my favorites from the newer gens obviously tie back to Gen 1, like Electivire. Electabuzz was my... Oh shit, okay, Master Chief. I didn't even see that. Okay, I got you, my bro. I got you. I was about to tie my hair up too. Alright, are we ready? Chimchar. Oh, yeah, nah, I actually like that generation too. I chose Turtwig. Yeah, Turtwig back then. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if I can still do this. Okay. I haven't done one of these in a while. Here we go. Cool. Awesome. Magnificent. Oh. Much love, my bro. Much love. Oh, that end up some wind would be nice right about now, man. I shampoo and conditioner on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and Sunday. Cheers, my bro. What's the windmill one?
Yeah.
I can't do it. Holy shit, that hurt me neck. Gonna be turning like Batman now. Okay, I'll tell you a good shampoo. I use. Oh, I keep forgetting the name of it. But there's this one I want to try. It's called Based. And apparently, a lot of people that have used it, their hair's nice now. Like, obviously, as I've gotten older, my hair's not as thick as it used to be. But you know, I'm still trying to look after it. We need to get a L'Oreal advert. I asked this before, well, what's your setup for outside? Yeah, just a laptop. Just a laptop and my mic from inside my bro and my cameras. That's all I'm using. Yeah, laptop, my Rode mic, my 2 cameras. So this camera right here, this one is specifically only for outside because I don't use double camera inside anyway. This is one of my more older ones. So I'm using one Elgato camera, so this is an Elgato camera, like the normal stream one, and that one there's the 4K one. So pretty much, yeah, that's all I'm using, brother. Pokemon TCG, and my son is a big Yu-Gi-Oh collector. Yeah, bro, I want to get some of those full art Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So my favorite card was Dark Magician. Dark Magician and Exodia. Those were my 2 favorite cards from the game. And ever since I saw those full arts, man, I really want to try and get some at some point. But it's not a need or a want right now. Do you have? Yeah, I'm using OBS, my bro. Just using OBS. Oosh, what you gonna start baking, my bro? If I had meal prep, I'd probably do that. But I don't. I don't have any meal prep. Everything I do is just cooked. Pretty much. Wow, why isn't our kick channel working? That's a bit annoying, eh? Do I have to update my item or something? Maybe I have to update my key. If you can hear someone talking, chat, it's just someone literally standing in Skyrim in a tavern and NPCs are walking into him. Yeah, so shout out to the bro Razor once again. He gave me a key for Skyrim, guys. Hey, what up, Golden Ace? The peace stream. How are you, good sir? I'll probably bring TikTok in a little later. Maybe in like 5 minutes. So all I have to do to join this Skyrim RP server is download all the mods, and then we'll go and check it out. I'm hoping to get into the whitelisted server. Because what I've seen from a lot of these YouTube videos about Skyrim RP, man, there's a lot of shitlords in there, in the public servers. Enjoying the peace of post-day stream. Oh, cheer, Golden. Appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, so what we've been up to, my bro, is just cleaning this piece. So we cleaned the other side, like fully. So this is a double-sided Heitiki, this one. And Heitiki, or these kind of carvings, are not normally this size. They're not normally of this kind of size. But this is what the bro wanted, pretty much. And you know, we shall deliver. We shall deliver. And the timber that we're using today is pine, my bro. They still somewhere not in good condition though. They definitely have some battle damage. Hey, all good, brother. Yo, Foxy, hello. How much time does a carving take? So the last carving we finished, it took around 32 hours all up. I would assassinate a shitlord for you, sire. Yeah, apparently if you like break the rules in the server, so a Jarl or like a admin, they don't instantly ban you. They get your character in front of the whole city and they let the whole city like beat you down. It's like, oh, it's like some Game of Thrones shame scene. Yeah, they just let everyone beat you down. Beat you down first. So I was like, that's a pretty cool system. Instead of like instant banning them, they get the person and then bro, they just do like an announcement and yeah, they let everyone go ham on the one character. I was like, damn. Beat you down first, then ban you. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, I was like, I like that. They make some content out of you, then they ban you. I like that. Yeah, so one of the bros, Jugs, he, so I was watching his stream the other day and I saw that he was playing an orc as well and I went, hey, hopefully be on, Kaizo soon. I'm keen to enjoy some, Skyrim RP and he messaged me later on after the stream saying, let me know. And we'll get up to some RP. It was cool. It was cool to see the bro Jugs again. My kind of justice through the body and the receipt. Yeah, bro. So it's something that I'm looking forward to giving a go for sure. But yeah, from what I've seen in some of those public servers, there's a lot of shitlords in there. Just trying to rage bait people and break their character so they can farm them for YouTube videos. I mean, you see it with RP all the time. You know, people constantly break rules just to try and you know, clip farm. Saw it in NoPixel recently. There you go. So we're just getting a nice roll on the body. Yeah, bro, I'm so ready for another Elder Scrolls, my bro. Like many of us are. But I'm just as ready as you are, my friend. There we go. Better roll now. A better roll. Starfield, I think. Oh, true. What's that one about? Starfield. Holy shit. Grinding Gear Games just their revenue went from 105 million to 526 mil. The ones that created Poe. That's sick. That's cool. What color do you normally associate with on a Wednesday? I'll tell you when we get to Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Wednesday's tomorrow. Grinding gears, 10 out of 10. Yeah, I went to ExileCon. Or the last ExileCon they had, really, and they invited me up. It was cool. I enjoyed my time there. They gave me a meet and greet. I don't know why they did though, but because you know I'm a nobody when it comes to Poe. And that's when I bumped into Quinn for the first time in Zizaran. It was good to see Quinn. Answers Sunday. Father's Day on Sunday. Yeah, so I know this might be a little bit boring, guys, but this is kind of the vibe for this side as well. Just cleaning as steady as we can. Straight turtle vibes today. Yeah, this is pretty much all we're kind of really doing is cleaning and making sure, you know, we're happy with the way it looks in terms of its cleanness. Never underestimate yourself, bro. So then that's why you got invited. Cheer, my bro. Do you have a store? No, I don't, my bro. So the reason why I am anti-store is because I would rather you know, chat to you guys this way about commissions, you know. I prioritize, you know, making a good connection first as opposed to a sale. That's kind of how I've always been. In all my years of carving, my bro. I have received some DMs of, you know, annoyance that I have no shop, but I just send them the gif of Nacho Libre when he leans up against the pillar and he goes. And I just say, take it easy. That's my response all the time to that. And they're like, what the fuck does that gif have to do with the conversation? I just say, it doesn't, but it's Nacho. You must always respect Nacho Libre. Yeah, Razor, pretty much, my bro. These are my recreation clothes. I love their movie, bro. I love their movie. I think it's due time to watch it again. And you know what's cool about it? My wife absolutely hates it, which makes me love it even more. Jack Black is just he's good man's eh. Apparently they're in the country too, filming the next Minecraft as well. What they have planned, I do not know. Drip fried battered fish is so drip fried, deep fried battered fish. Oh, just like the fish and chips here. I'll be honest, I've been really wanting raw fish lately. If you don't know what that is, I think it's like what, ceviche? I think that's the fancy word for it, eh? She's addicted to their food. Addicted to their food. Yeah, so they're filming the next Minecraft at the moment, my bro. I only know this because someone took a video of Jason Momoa and he was on a Harley next to them on the road. He doesn't really hide, he just cruises around just like one of the locals when he's here. Everyone just goes, shit. Yeah, so some raw fish, some green onions, red onions, with sometimes tomato, not all the time, with some raw fish and kara coconut cream, coconut milk, whatever it is. But yeah, I've been really wanting it for the last few weeks. And I think what I'm gonna do is buy all the ingredients this week. And I might even stream making it, eh? I might even stream making it. And a bunch of salt. Exactly. Yeah, bro. Sorry, I don't know why our kick channel's not going, my bro. It's kind of weird. Like, I've pushed live on. I wonder if I have to give my stream key again and refresh it. La 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 lover. Chicken. Strange love chicken man, it's tasty as hell. What was I doing? Oh, my mum messaged. There we go. Boom. Alright. Yeah, I'll have a look why that's not going. Shout out to the bro Mateo for the raid too. You know the bro Mateo, I met him at Vegas TwitchCon. And you know, I've known him for years and I didn't know his name wasn't Mateo the whole time. It's his Twitch name, or his kick name. Off to bed, have a good sleep my bro. And when he said, I was like, so you're telling me your name's not even Mateo? He's like, no, it's not. I was like, bruh. Not me thinking that's your actual government name. And it's not even. It's not even. Yeah, I got a lot of time for that guy too. He's a good dude, man. He's a good dude. Ooh. We are gonna need a touch-up. Okay. Morning TikTok. Drive fast, be sober. Oh, I haven't changed my TikTok title since that one Forza stream we did. Good morning TikTok. How are you guys? Morena. How we doing TikTok? It's good to see everyone again. Hope you all had a good rest. We're out here once again for yet another cleaning stream. It is a Tuesday today. How's your day been? My day's pretty much only just started, my bro, about 45 minutes into the day. Other than, you know, being a dad and getting the kids ready for school and everything. John Rook, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Yeah, so school drop-offs are done. What's up, Lil Crunk? Mr. Gossett and Pim, appreciate yous. Yeah, so pretty much my mornings and days are somewhat the same every day. You know, me and my wife tend to our kids. My wife may have to go to work. And I just do the kids on my own, but hey, it's all about pre-packing lunches the night before, you know. Man, happy doing, pleasure to meet you. My name is Carl. Me and my friend Carl right here. We were walking down a long and lonesome road, and all of a sudden, there shined a shiny demon in the middle of the road. And he said, "Play the best song in the world, or eat yourself." I have to, Carl, because your name's in the song. Me and Carl, we looked at each other, and we said, dun, 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 okay. And I played the first thing that came to our head. It just so happened to be the best song in the world. Hey, such an iconic song for meme. Meme, geez, that would have been the first meme song of humankind, eh? Yous reckon? Yous reckon that would have been the first meme song? A bit laggy. Oh my gosh. Really? Look into my eyes and it's easy to see. 2, 1, make 2, 2, 1, make 3 is destiny. Once again, the sun. I don't understand how my TikTok stream is lagging and I have full bars. I don't understand. You from NZ? Yes, I am, good sir. Rogu, thank you very much. And Kristen, am I still lagging? Appreciate you, Kristen. Jarang Yoda. Let me know if I'm still lagging. Watching from Wales. Hey, not lagging for me, but okay, that's good. Yeah, bro. I don't know, man. iPhones, man. Ever since I swapped to iPhone, there's been nothing but problems. Thank you very much for the confetti thing program by Peter. Hey Peter. Hi Peter. Morning to Cute John. Cute Johnson. Kia ora, my bro. Good morning, good morning. Welcome on through. I have a question on the reservation. When we do carvings, we often inlay certain stones into it for good medicine or to ward off bad medicine to young. So yeah, we have these things called Maori stones. But majority of the time when it comes to the use of Maori stones, they are often inlaid into our wharenui or our large meeting houses. When it comes to you know, carvings that may be put somewhere out to commemorate a landmark, same thing. It'll be buried underneath the carving pretty much. Wood carving is such a beautiful art. Have a go, Rogu. You never know, man. Have a go. Lelia. Ooh. Layla Jade, thank you very much. Oh, I almost balked that. I'm sorry. Thank you very much, Layla. Sorry I'm late. Oh, you're all good. Nicotine, how you, my bro? I don't know why my kick channel's not working right now, brother. I'll have to look into that. Did you watch the new Prodigy trailer? Hey bro, how are you? What's up, Beamer Streams? I am good, my bro. I am good. Although, you know, I didn't have my 3 eggs this morning because we've run out. I'm good. Love your accent. I love you. How are you? Is it Keza and... Oh, yeah, just Keza. Thank you very much, Keza, all the way from Ireland. Sorry to hear that. Nah, it's all good, my bro. It's all good. You would make a great voice actor. Funny thing is, I have finished my voice acting lines for a game. And that game is called Debauchery and Magic. It's like a RPG game. I only had 5 lines, but some of my other friends, one of my other friends is voice acting in the game too, and I'm pretty excited to see how it goes. Hopefully they get in. So I am voice acting for a character that will be seen by everyone. Hello from Wales. Kia ora, my bro. Huge congrats on that. Thank you very much, kind sir. Thank you very much. Ego Banana Bombs. Oh, I thought they said Egg Benedict for a little bit there. Thank you very much, Egg Banana Bombs, for the Optimus Prime, my bro. There he is. Kia ora, my brother. Pretty bum weather today. Yeah, I don't mind this kind of weather for myself personally. Yo, thank you very much. What's that? Jeez, these people in their cool fonts on TikTok. Asenio? Did I say that right? Thank you very much for the TikToks, my bro. The Legends Live has just shown up on my FYP. What's up, brother? Welcome, welcome. Ah, bro, eggs Benny with the salmon, bro. That's my favorite. Thank you, Aaron and Quilt. How you been, Aaron? Hope you're doing good. Just doing a little touch up on this chisel. All we're really doing today is just cleaning. Push cleaning today. Where are we? I could smash some eggs, bro. Eggs Benny sounds on, eh? I might actually have some eggs Benny for a cheat day. I'm kind of over the whole fast food for cheat day. How many days did you make those? For this? How many days has it taken? I don't know, I lost count. I had to stop doing it so I could do... So we finished the commission recently and it took us about 30 plus hours to finish it through, you know, a lot of streams obviously. We had 30 plus hours, finished it, gave it to the bro, and he was blown away by it. What are you making? We are making a Heitsuki. Love your work. Where can we buy? At the moment I don't have a shop. The reason why I don't like having a shop is because that takes away a genuine connection I could make with someone. At the moment my commissions are closed. I've got about one more after this one. Then we reopen again. Although I am contemplating doing a carving finally for my house. I've never done one. Didn't know you had a TikTok. Hello there, Keo. Happy Men's Mental Health stream. Cheer BMA. Yeah, I need to hurry up and upload this video for Men's Mental Health Month. What's up, Delirious? Good to see you, my bro. Yo, H Unknown, thank you for the roses, my bro. Tonga meant to be gifted? Yes and no. It really depends. Just trying to make sure the stomach is a little bit lower. Yo, thank you very much, Ruckers. Hey, Joe, cheer my bro. Good to see you, brother Joe Dirte. Just wanted to say that I love your journey. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Yo, Ruckus and Shane as well. How can we donate? I don't know, so you can just watch if you want. I was wondering, I'm trying to start my own streaming channel and I'm in the process of making a donation page. See how the stream is set up. They donate. Do you mind sharing? What did I do? Yeah, I just set it up through Stream Elements, and you should have the chance to link it pretty much. Love your work, man. Appreciate you, brother. Joe Dirte, thank you for the 169 cats, my bro. How you been though, my brother? Hope you've been good though, man. Hope you have been good, my bro. Always good to see you again, brother. Whether it's on Twitch or TikTok, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm sure it gives you like the option to link your whatever you're using. I found out how to do it for a YouTube video. Thank you very much, B. And also, who was that? There was someone before B as well. That was one Scott's effort. Thank you for the 16 cats, my bro. Big Scotty too, hottie. Tēnā koe te. Thank you for the car pies and the roses as well, B. Yeah, so pretty much the plan that what we're up to right now is just cleaning. Cleaning process is what we're up to right now. And, you know, making sure we touch up any section there may be throughout this whole carving. So that's all we're trying to do right now. Is get this all done up, and then like even within the arms and the legs too, because I still haven't decided whether I want to design it yet. So Ball Riser, astronomical blessings, good to see you. What's up, Art by Keo? How you doing, brother? We got 2 Keos tuning in on 2 different platforms today. Much love, my bro. How are you? 2 different Keos. Did you make a business account? I am sorry for these questions. So, if so, you don't need to reply. Oh, I just made one. I couldn't dream of having 2 of those, eh? That'll be a headache. Scotty too hotty for his old school wrestler. He had the worst finisher ever though. Like, I mean, there's some pretty bad finishers out there these days. Thank you, Dunker and Emmanuel. Emmanuel, did I say that right? And Tuck. Jeremiah, bro. Kyo means today in Japanese. Really? Today. Kyo. I learned how to say Jeremiah, bro in Chinese. Sheila. Zhongdi. Zhongdi. This fellow on Instagram. This Chinese fella taught people how to say it. I was like, yeah. Are we able to buy? I do have some carvings that I will put up for sale soon. It's just I gotta get through all these pieces first. Yeah, I'll share it on my Instagram after stream. How to say "ciao, my bro" in Chinese? Well, he's funny. Sheila. I remember back in the day when I first found you from your live stream asking to see back the Hey, true, Tuck, yeah, bro. 6 years now, brother. 6 years, my bro. It's been that long. It's crazy to think that there are people, you know, that have been a part of the stream for that long too. Crazy. And it's something I'll never truly get over. I'll be honest. What bench are you using? Just AEG Super Jaws, my bro. That's all. Thank you very much to one. Oh, Brother Bees again with for the divine fingers. Okay. And also Wadalonu, did I say that right? Thank you very much, brother. What are you carving? We are carving a heitiki. So the timber that we're using right now is pine. So yeah, nothing too crazy about this timber. It's just your normal Andy pine. I found you from a TikTok of you wanting to send the money back. Cheer, brother Dylan. How are you, brother? Thank you very much. Oh, what's that? A plus green thing plus watermelon. Thank you very much for the heart, my bro. I can't see the emojis that well. They're quite small. In my comfort stream, but unmatched chill vibes will always be here. Hey, just, you know, when you can, brother. When you can. All the way from Scotland. Whakairo. What's up, doggo? Oh, sorry, what's up, Bulls? Jeez. Sorry, my bro. Well, far too, my brother. I was listening to the radio this morning and they were talking about some of the hardest games you clocked as a kid. And they were talking about Alex the Kid. Yo, Matthew and Malachi, thank you very much for the Ottawa. They were talking about how hard clocking Alex the Kid was for them. I was like, I haven't heard that game name in a long time. Bloody long time since I heard that game. I think a lot of people from my era will know about that game. From the 90s. I need a mallet. Where's my mallet? One moment. Thank you very much to Reese and how do I say that name? Ostira Kete? Did I say that right? Oh, Leo. Oh, kia ora. Thoughts on Williamson retiring? I don't even know who that is. Where did you find your passion for carving? Back in Kura Kaupapa, my bro, or Maori Immersion Primary School, pretty much. The way I discovered it was from my uncle. So my uncle was the carving teacher at my school I went to. And long story short, I went into that class just out of curiosity, and you know, it was my uncle. My uncle was doing the class at the time, so I thought, oh, let's go and check it out, see what it's about. And before we even picked up any tools, he taught us about the history and all the hardship, that our ancestors went through in order to keep our language and everything here. For the next generation, and I think that's the thing that sparked me up to want to do this the most. All the hardship. Thank you very much, brother Reese, for the roses, and Boo Boy. So I think that's the thing that rocked me up to want to do it. Like even the big generation gap, when our forefathers went to war, went to Gallipoli and, you know, the Boer War and others. So they're big, you know, they're big gap in our generation where we almost lost our language and everything. So it was those things, brother. And you know, all the things that you know, the colonizers tried to do back then to silence our people as well. Like my grandmother, she comes from the generation where they only spoke Te Reo Maori, so our own language. And if they spoke Maori in school, they were caned in front of the whole school. So that's the gen my nan comes from, or that era. That's not really spoken about in the history of this place. So it was those things that sparked me up to want to do it. Because before I done Whakairo, the things that I wanted to do was, thank you very much Marcel, and game time as well. So the things I wanted to do before I took up Whakairo was either be a zookeeper or try and become an artist for Blizzard. So those were the things that I was kind of gunning for in my life. Thank you very much Flynn and Izzy as well. Yeah, so those things specifically. And then that day after my uncle had kind of given us history lessons about Whakairo, and then, you know, those moments where we almost lost everything, I pretty much, yeah, put those dreams to the side and went in on this, bro. Like, I didn't have an ounce of Whakairo or, you know, knowledge beforehand. And then it came to the next week, so we had these classes every Friday. Came to the next week, and pretty much, yeah, we started, you know, planning to carve. And then we get to that point where we start, and then yeah, we start getting into it. We carve these things called wakahuia, which are kind of like treasure boxes that were for the prize feathers of a huia bird. And pretty much, as we were chipping away, one thing about my uncle, the way he liked to teach was by observing before, you know, giving help. And then he stopped me and goes, have you done this before? No, this is my first time. You know, you just went, oh, okay, carry on. And, you know, come to the end of the day, my uncle says, stay behind. And I thought I was in trouble. Like, I thought, oh shit, what have I done, you know? What have I done to have to stay behind in class? I just want to go home and play games. Just want to go home and jump on the Sega. Yeah, I still had a Sega while everyone had PlayStations. And pretty much we did that. And they sat me down and he asked the same thing, so you've never done Whakairo before? And I went, no, I haven't. Thank you very much, H-Spot. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I've never done Whakairo whatsoever, uncle. And he grabbed my carving and he says, look at what you've done. I was like, yeah, what you told us to do. He goes, that's the thing, I didn't tell you. I went, oh. And then he pulled this old book out. And he showed me, and turns out there's a lot of you know, ancestral carvers in our genealogy. And he said, you got a natural knack for this? I went, you know, as any kid would say, you know, the response was, I don't know. But I had fun though, that's what I said to him. And he goes, that's good. That's good. And that's when he told me, yeah, he just said, I think this is what you're meant to do in life. You know, my typical response is, oh, it's fun, so yeah, I guess I'll do it. And yeah, as I got older, then I understood that shit. I'm actually a fourth generation carver in my on my grandfather's side, and I'm a second on my grandmother's. Yeah, so yeah, carving is a part of the family on both sides of the family tree, pretty much, which I didn't find out till I had moved out of home at 16. So I moved here at 16 years old to do my last senior year of high school here in Rotorua, and also to connect with my grandmother's family here too, because no one within my generation of the grandkids knew my grandmother's side of whakapapa, so that's why I moved here. Whakapapa is like our genealogy, yeah, pretty much. So yeah, I moved here, and yeah, I got introduced to my grandmother's family on this side, and it was probably one of the best decisions I ever made. Because, you know, fast forward to now as a father, my children know both sides of my family tree. They know their mums too, but, you know, from me taking that leap of faith and moving out to making my way here, it was good. It was really good. Thank you very much for the roses, Greek. My grand is the one who put me on carving. Took classes on the res where they taught us the history and why we do this in honor of our people and the land and our ancestors. Yeah, bro. Lose ourselves in a modern world. 100%, bro. 100%, and it's exactly the same for us too. And that's another reason why I do this on, you know, social media too, is, you know, Brox, is to inspire rangatahi Maori, like the next generation of Maori woodcarvers, that, you know, everything that our ancestors have left behind for us still have a purpose today. And at the same time, you know, I hope it sparks up within them to follow their passions too. And that goes for anyone around the world. To get into woodwork, thank you so much. I hope you've been enjoying it though, my brother. Hope you've been enjoying the wood carving journey too, my bro. Xylon, thank you very much for the rose. Recovering your roots through the phone. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. And yeah, ever since I moved here, and kinda like my koro, my grandfather, he's the chief of the tribe. Like, he's getting old now, like real old and forgetful. But when I moved here and I told him, oh, you know, said my nan's name, and he went, oh, how's my cousin? So my grandmother and my grandfather, who's the chief of our tribe here, are first cousins. Yeah, first cousins. Yeah, I cherish it a lot, like a hell of a lot. How you going, my man? I'm doing good, my bro. How are you? My dad and grandpa carve, but he's native. Yo, Ryan, thank you for the window. Thank you, Ryan. You carve native indigenous carvings in Canada. Yeah. Due to the cuzzies over in Canada. Sup, Omar? Stare? Okay. Friendliest man on TikTok. How are you, good sir? How's Thor? What's up, brother? Oh, he's already? Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just cleaning this whole thing. What's some other game music we can listen to that's like chill as? I feel like The Witcher might be a bit too battle-y. Might be a bit too battly. Oh, there we go. My kick has just gone live. Holy guacamole, bro. There you go, Razor. What you making? We are carving something called a heitsuki. What's up, Austria? Yo, Kershai, Kershi, thank you very much for the rose. Have a lovely night from Austria. You have a good sleep there, King. Much love, much love. Yeah, so as we progress through this more, you know, when it's all clean, I'll look at it again and kind of figure out if I want to fully design it or not. Thank you very much. What is that emoji? For the gifty? What's your iwis? So I'm from Tūhoe. I was raised in Tūhoe until I was 16, and then I moved here to Te Arawa, to my nan's side to learn. And then I've been here ever since. So Tūhoe, Te Arawa, Ngāti Mākino, Ngāti Pikio. Probably Ngāti Mākino first, to be honest. Yo, it's him. Hello. Thank you, Romy and Benjamin. Thank you. How's life been, man? Good. Nice, chill, you know. I don't, well, this is what my life consists of, you know. I wake up, go for a walk, or run, or go to the gym. I'm smart because I pre-pack my kids' school lunches the night before, and their uniforms. Even my wife does it too, so yeah, we kind of thinking a day ahead. Thank you very much, C and Cam. And then yeah, just wake up early, get the kids ready for school. If my wife needs to be dropped off at work, do that. Makes his own pickles. Well, like the like grows them, or like the pickle sauce. Been trying to find your account anywhere. You are the dearest person. Hello there, Schultz. How are you, brother? Yeah, my day's pretty like basic, casual, and chill. Like, you just get the kids ready for school, drop them off, come home, stream. Finish stream, open the fridge, look in there for 5 minutes, grab nothing, close it, clean up the house, and just chill out and wait till 3 o'clock. Pick up the kids, take them to the extracurriculars, whatever it may be. Come home, chill out with family, and when kids and baby go to sleep, watch TV with wife, or jump on PC and play a game, or try and do shiny resets to get shiny Charmander. Welcome, it's been about 5 days now. But I don't do it one after the other. I'm like casual farming it, okay? Still no shiny Charmander yet. I'm getting to the point now where I'm like, I just want to play Fire Red now. So that's how my days usually go. I'm at a point in my life where I'm in my my quiet dad era. Like, I do not mind it one bit, you know. I'm not out here trying to be, you know, Mr. McCrazy Bumhole or something like that. Mr. Controversial Clip Farmer. I'm just doing my thing with my people, aka you guys. Thank you, as a Louise. Thank you very much. Do you play Pokemon Go? I won't lie. I stopped playing it when they were geo-mapping everywhere. I thought that was a bit weird. So I just play Pokemon TCG these days. Whilst also getting into TCG. I'm still new to it. I'm still trying to get a... What are they called? Top loader binders. Where you can put it in the hard case thingy but put it in the binder. Those things. Hello again from the UK. Joe, brother. Yo, Mike Lewis and... Shamaya Lim, thank you very much. Do you open Pokemon packs? Yes. Nothing good yet. I did cop me 2 singles. So I'm not planning to go, you know, absolutely freaking hamburger on TCG. It's just gonna be casual as me and my kids. We might get a couple packs here and there, but you know, where in Te Arawa are you from? Rotoiti, home my tawhiti. My koro stays next door. But if I'm being more specific, from Ngāti Whakairo all the way through Rotoiti, Te Waka, right out to Te Puke. Pretty much. Hey bro, do you have any tattoos? Yep, I do. On my arm. On my arm. Yeah, sorry, a razor. I just leave that there. I'm not logged in on my kick outside. Okay. Looking forward to the match tomorrow. What match? I don't really watch TV. Sorry. If you're talking about the soccer/football game, that's on today, ain't it? Hey Brox, where can I find your carvings, my bad? They are on Instagram, my bro. I put everything on there. But I also put a lot of reels on there too. And also I just want to say thank you once again to all those that are following the Facebook. What are you working on? I hate Tiki, my bro. I'll get the finished one so we can show you. Your reels always popping up. Yes, I've been trying to, consistently share as much as I can on Instagram and TikTok. I know my TikTok doesn't really get that much views these days. But, I'm still going to upload there anyway. My bloody Instagram and Facebook, bro. Facebook is going absolutely ham. So I only started it like 7 days ago and we've already hit like 1.3 million views on all my reels. Nutty, it's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not even monetized either. So we're doing something similar to this, okay? So this is a Hey Tiki here. So this is one that we done last year. Oh my tawhiti, yeah, tahiki. All on the Pounamunui side. Like I'm from all the maraes there, but more so from Pounamunui on that side. The best side. Pounamunui side, the best side. There you go. This is one we done last year. To the other chats watching. Dude, you're the goat. I appreciate your Red Bull, Riv. Cheers, my brother. Oh, cheers, Banana Man. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so that one is made out of rata. So that's a native timber as opposed to this one. It's made out of pine. So the reason why I'm not using my mallet is because I don't need to. Like my chisels are sharp enough just to run it through. Pretty much. So we're good. You're so cool, bro. Keep it up. We're all cool here. Facebook streams, you're gonna need another phone. I know, bro. Yeah, I don't really know how to get monetized on Facebook, so I just carry on uploading. Carry on uploading, my bro. It's crazy, man. I think we're almost at 11k followers on the old mug book. I'm still waiting for the racial boomers to find find my page. It's gonna be funny when they do. Them and the racials that have a car as their profile photo. Yeah, maybe I should do a Facebook stream at some point. I'm not sure when though. Thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. Dan V. Cheers, my bro. What's up, Carl? Thank you, Dan V. So we'll carry on chipping away a little bit more and then I'll stop and have a yarn with you guys. But I would say that, you know, majority of this is clean. There's just those nitty gritty parts we need to get into, like in between the arms and the legs. Thank you very much, Zarek Marco, for the roses, and Tada as well. Would you know any Rahui, or would you know any Raharui? Toots and them are my cousins. Uncle Wets is obviously my uncle, not only on this side but on the Moko Moko side too. Yeah, Toots, Pururu, Wets, Big Wets, Te Pō, Te Hau. I performed with them at the Reach. Where can I find your carvings? Oh yeah, so once again on Instagram. Thank you very much, Jake. I believe he has the purest soul. Oh, I don't know. I let off a couple of good farts now and again, so I'm not that pure. Not that pure. My conqueror's haki is pretty good though, because I'm a parent. Yeah, I got pretty good conqueror's haki, because yeah, I'm a parent. When my kids do something, I just look at them, and then they know. What did you do? Sorry to those that aren't parents, you can't get conqueror's haki unless you're a parent or an uncle or an auntie. Thank you very much, Waltzer lad. Just much respect, Baba. Cheer, my bro. Yes, I am a man of culture, not just Maori culture. Weeb culture as well, okay? Just want to make that very clear. But I only read the One Piece manga these days. I only read the One Piece manga nowadays, because it's way better right now. Way better. 420? I do not smoke, good sir. I only do it in-game. In GTA RP, or I do something even harder than the Wacky Becky. Skooma. In-game. Shout out to all the Skooma lords. Hope you're having a good day. Fine carving session. Appreciate you, my brother. Kia ora, brother. I'm just going to lurk. Just letting you know I'm here. Oh, you're all good, my bro. Lurk away, good sir. Lurk away. The Ubu Uzo. What's up, Liam? What's up, Uzo? My first stream. What is that you are making? So we are carving something called a heitiki, my friend. They are not normally this size. They are normally in a smaller pendant form. But this is what the bro wanted. And so we shall deliver. Now, heitiki can represent a few things. It can represent an ancestor. It can represent protection. And fertility as well. Now, keep in mind with fertility, it can correlate to our wahine, okay? Because basically the form of the heitiki comes from that of a baby. Comes from a baby, my bro. So here's another example here. Now we finished. This one's made out of rata. That one there. Okay. And now I show TikTok. That one there. Alright. So this one was just me having a little bit of fun, pretty much. Just having a cham. Having a cham, my bro. Sorry guys, one moment. Big Z mode has been initiated. I am finding the board. Hashtag I don't like clams. because I've never had them. There we go. Found the board. No way the Skyrim tunes. Yeah, bro, it all depends what I wanna. Because that's a James. Fuck yeah, don't you ever talk to me like that again. Yeah, because that's a tune. Yeah. Fuck, hak marie. Hey, what's up, K-Dog? Hey, cheer, brother Ed. Bro, some solid hits, my bro, on your cards. How much were your Phantasmal packs again? Bro, I can't believe they're like, for a Phantasmal Flames booster pack, it's like $43 from Mighty Ape. That is crazy. Wahid, thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, that's crazy. For one booster pack, it costs $43. Hi from Michigan. Love watching. Hey, my Michigan brother. Hope you're doing good, my bro. Got some good luck yesterday. Yeah, especially that card that you zoomed in on. Lord. Oh, 20 each. That's not too bad. Oh, my FYP has ball knowledge. What's up, brother? Thank you for the 10 roses, my bro. Love your energy, man. Keep looking for your account for a while. Oh, welcome on through, my bro. Welcome on through. Welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. There's no such thing as a silly question. It's just a question. But I ended up copying that Bulbasaur and Ivysaur, my bro. I did see that their Pokemon Generations has there's a box that has all 3 starters in it, but obviously I want to get the Kanto ones. What's your favorite cheese? I don't want to say because I'm an idiot. And I'm a male. Thank you very much for the gifties, Lockie. They're only in store though, not online. Yeah, that makes sense. All the packs from them. Got all. Oh, true. Fire, you got them all. Yeah. Yeah, I can't make my way up to HobbyCon now, my bro. My wife's cousin is getting her Mokokowai done. I was like, can I just not go? Never mind the moko. Morena, kei te pēhea koe. Thank you very much to Arian, did I say that right? And brother JP. What are you making? A Heitsiki, my bro. If I see any more when I go in there, I'll grab you some. Nah, you don't have to grab me anything, my bro. Just hurry up and get some mean pulls so I can watch. My bro. I ain't gonna lie, my bro. I might try my luck with Mighty Ape and getting some of those One Piece 16 cards. Try my luck. Thank you very much to... Is it Led for the gifties? Who knows? I might even get some a cheeky booster pack or 2 today. I might go and check my place again where I got my cards before and have a bit of a check. I might actually check their website to see if they have anything other than perfect order. I didn't realise how much that shiny VMAX Charizard card I have was. I didn't realise it was that much. Wait, they might go straight to Elbaf for the next set? Oh, fuck the current set then. What's your dream team on Pokemon? So it will most likely be one of the 3 Kanto starters. I can't decide because I love all 3 of them. And then we will have Nidoking, Metagross, Tyrantrum, Corviknight, and who would be my lucky last? Snorlax. But all I would say, if I chose all three Kanto starters, then I'd probably have to have Nidoking, Tyrantrum, because why? Because T-Rex. That's the only reason why Tyrantrum is the best fossil Pokemon in the whole Pokemon universe, because he's a T-Rex. Who would be my last? Man, it's hard, because there's so many that I love. Probably Golurk. He's my favorite ghost type. But yeah, my two favorite generations is Kanto and Johto, so Gen 1 and 2. Thank you very much for the ice cubes, my bro. And the roses as well. Tinakwe. Yeah, so Kanto and Johto have always been my favorite generations. But yeah, I'm a Feraligatr man. Totodile man myself, just like any other Gen 2. Yeah, so pretty much after Gen 1 and 2, my bro, I kind of started losing interest in the Pokemon games. I do, however, want to try Pokemon Dungeons, which was suggested by the bro Razor. Yeah, I love so many Pokemon, bro, like majority of Gen 1. Mewtwo's my favorite legendary, and then probably Kyogre, and then Rayquaza, and then Entei. Not in any like specific order. I do like Triceratops Entei though, he looks pretty cool. Gen 2, yeah, Feraligatr is probably my favorite. Ho-Oh, Lugia, all the three dogs. Who else? I need to replay it, eh? I'll just try and name heaps of character or like Pokemon. Like Golurk's probably my favorite ghost type, as I mentioned. Incineroar and Hawlucha because they're wrestlers. Who else? Wow, there's so many, eh? So many. Probably Alolan Marowak. I think he's cool for the culture. And yeah, Tyrantrum, as I mentioned before. Yeah, a lot of the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Pokemon. I do have an idea to do a Aotearoa region exclusive Pokemon too. Some digital art. And I don't want to say what it is because someone might steal my idea. Who else, man? Yeah, there's just so many. Yeah, I gotta see like pictures of them to decide. Yeah, to decide pretty much. Just join. What you doing? I was talking about Pokemon and carving a Heitiki. Sorry. There's only one Gen 1 Pokemon I don't like, and it's Hypno. Weird ass Pokemon. Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. Hypno is a bit of a red flag because of the description of Hypno. So the Hypno hypnotizes like people and miniature people and kidnaps them. So yeah, I was like, oh, I can't get behind that Pokemon. That's probably the only one. If he stayed a Drowsy, I wouldn't mind. Thank you, Twisted, and also Chris. Thank you very much for the gifties. Opinion on beans on toast. I was raised to not be a fussy little shit. Okay, so I don't mind it. Put a bit of cheese on the top too. Yeah. So what happens when you're raised with your grandparents? You either eat or you starve. And it just be, raised me to be grateful for, having a plate with food on it. So yeah, I'm not a fussy person. It's like with that, pineapple cheese pizza argument, eh? My My argument to that is fucking starve or have a full stomach. Raymond, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. At my work, they have a card vending machine work at the shopping centre. They have, bro, just go and crack a pack right now. Bro has a one piece, so the bro Razor Kick has they have a vending machine at their work, a card vending machine, and there's 1 piece 16 in it. Crack one open, you'll get white beard. Thank you very much for the koala, my bro. Where are we? And Lycan for the you're awesome. Sure, my bro, how are you? I remember seeing your name in the TikTok before. Where are we? Bro, that's crazy. The true Tiki, once again, thank you for the 2 months, my bro. Appreciate you, brother. Go ahead and go back in the live. Oh shit. Hold up. The argument sucks. Was around way before everyone starting comparing about pineapple. I know, my bro. Oh, is our thing lagging again? Oh my days. Oh my days. One moment, guys. This one, guys. So yesterday, I went, oh, I might play some WoW. I don't even know how long my subscription hasn't been on for. So I was like, heck, I better change that. I've been watching Showbeck lately. Fuck, he's funny, bro. He's actually funny. Love you, bro. You're good. I appreciate you, brother Jack. What's up, Goofy? I'm a goofy goober. Rock. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, and thank you for sharing your art. Can't wait to see the end. Thanks, Hawks Diesel. Yeah, so the plan right now, my bro. So obviously nothing too crazy right now. So all we're trying to do is clean this up. And then maybe I'm contemplating just maybe leaving it as is without any design work, or just design one side and leave one side clear. I'm not too sure yet. I'm not too sure. Kind of just in terms of like decision making, I'm kind of just taking it easy right now and seeing, you know, where we can go from here. And we'll see, you know, once the whole entire thing is clean, and then I'll decide whether I want to, you know, carry it on or leave it as is. Kia ora, kia ora, Uzo. Any word of the day? Like any word? Favorite video game? World of Warcraft. Neil, thank you very much for the 17 roses. Are you from the far north? If you call the far north Mātātua as well, then yes. If not, no. Have you ever been to the UK? No, the only countries I've been to is America, twice, and Australia, twice. Those are pretty much the only countries I've been to. I am gonna be in America this September. Ariel, good morning to you as well. Morena, morena. Thank you very much for the coffee. I had one this morning too. True. How we doing? Yeah, so I'm not really much of a, a traveller. Unless I'm invited to something, then I'll probably go. Alright. Sorry guys, I know you can't see what I'm doing right now, it's just getting in the nitty gritty areas. What's up, KNS? How you doing, brother? Yo, is it so 5? Thank you very much for the hearts, my bro. Chilling with the vibes there. Oh, true, brother Dominic. Yeah, my bro. The one thing, bro, is time zones. I know. There's I have been thinking about doing, a couple nighttime carving streams again. I won't lie. Running a couple of those again. We did do them at one point. So I'm wondering if we try and do it again. I'm just not sure, how my body will feel these days. Doing a late night carving stream. I would like to get back into them though. Maybe I should try and have like one like dedicated nighttime carve stream, but it'll be pretty cramped. It'll be a pretty cramped one. Hello from Greenland, love your streams. Hey brother, what's the time in Greenland, my bro? Holy, 8-9. 8-9? I don't understand. 8-9. Is that like the new 6-7? And now our chat's froze. I think my TikTok chat just froze. How's the family, bro? They're good. They're good, my bro. Yeah, I don't know. Bro just spammed 8-9 and now my TikTok chat is frozen. Is it? I just liked my life to see if it worked. I don't know if it did. Look at him now. Okay, now it's moving again. Okay, it's moving again. It's moving. Yeah, the bro just said 8-9 and then it froze the chat. You don't have to donate, guy. Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, that's all I saw. 8-9, then he froze the chat. Thank you very much, brother Brandon, for the rose. Thank you, brother. Moment. Sorry if I missed something. Thank you very much, Z4, for the 2 roses. No name for the 2 roses, and John. Cheers, my bros. How we doing TikTok? Oh, how we doing Twitch and Kick and YouTube? He's all good. No, just, oh, you're next door in Sydney. But I end up watching at night. Oh, chill, my bro. Yeah, all good. We all live busy lives, my brother, so I understand. I understand, my bro. How's everything over in Sydney, my bro? Thank you very much, Ty Sampson, for the star as well. Just heard you dying, or like laughing. It's kind of weird. I was just being genuine. Most low cortisol man on Twitch. What does that mean? That's like the new thing everyone's saying, eh? I don't do drugs. Just want to put that out there. I don't know what that cortisol is. The card machine is Japanese packs 2, has non-zero booster boxes for 140. Holy! Stress hormone. Oh! Jeez, how did people find that out? Is that the new thing? Flexing stress hormones. Holy shit. Is that actually a thing? You gonna apply for Kaisana Streaming University? Nah. I'm good. It basically means you are very calm and chill. Oh! It's like, what the hell? Flexing stress hormones is the new thing? Interesting. Thank you very much, Phoenix, for the 5 roses. Well, sometimes it's not that low because I do have stressful days as a father, I will not lie. So, mild cortisol, I guess. Sorry, that I'm judging cortisol levels by source hotness. That doesn't make any sense. I take that back. Found you in 2026. Hello, good sir Corey. How are you doing? We'll have a bit of a break and have some yarn soon, eh? It's a mystery. How my love just won't set me free. It only happened. Where are we? I just wanted to say I wanted that sawhorse, but it's not available. Oh, really? AEG Super Jewels. Maybe Google one, my bro, and then something similar might come up in your country. Surely, surely. Surely, my bro. There'll be some similar ones around your parts. Where did the cortisol trend come from? I'm actually interested to know where this cortisol thing came from now. Do you watch anime? I just started watching Fire Force. 1 episode in. All I can say is that anime is very feety. There's a lot of feet in that anime. There's a lot of feet in that anime. I kind of do want to get back into watching Shangri-La Frontier though. Yeah. The last time I actually watched it was when the fat rabbit was forging and singing at the same time. I thought that was a cool part, I won't lie. I'm not a furry, by the way. But yeah, bro was aura farming while forging and singing. Shit. And he was a bunny rabbit. Yeah, I thought that was pretty interesting, eh? That anime there, but it gives off MMO vibes, so I think that's why I like it. I think that's why I like it. What's up, brother Evan? How are you, good sir? Kia ora. It's starting to rain. I'm not a furry, I just enjoy wearing a butt plug with a tail. Okay, you do you, Liam. I guess that's the closest thing you can get to being a Leviathan IRL. You do you, good sir. No judgment here. Roxy still playing well? Well, I just found out yesterday that my subscription has expired, so I need to renew it. I've been wanting to play some hardcore again after I've been watching Showbick before bed. And it's been fun. It's been fun. I think the boys in Stonecore are doing a full dwarf raid soon. I might actually start playing TBC again. But jump on you need mods. Oh, that's just typical male conversation right there. You should have seen the guy yesterday. We clipped him. He said he wanted me to carve him a butt plug, but I told him to use his thumb, and if that's not enough, use the second thumb. The clip's on my socials if you want to check it out. Yeah, that's just normal male conversation right there. I see no harm in it at all. Thou shall shove where thou wants to in their life. What's up, Anders? Did I say that right? Yo, who was that? Who was that, Cinnamon Toast Ken? That was one Bardicle. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. Appreciate you, good sir. That is one class that I kind of want to play on BG3 as well. Okay, I have a question. To anyone that plays Baldur's Gate, and you know how you can mix classes, I want to try a Barbarian. Is that possible? Is that possible at all? And I know it probably won't work, but I still want to try it. I want to try and make a Barbarian. Anything is possible. Appreciate you. With a name like mine, I can't even say... You're good, bro. You're good. Yeah, I thought that was just the bros having some yarns. Trust me, these conversations are mild compared to the conversations I used to have back in the carving school I went to. Hoi! These are mild. I think that's one thing I miss about, carving on my own majority of the time instead of in a group. That's what I miss majority of the time with the boys, is just the conversation. And the silliness. It's probably what I miss most of all with the bros. You can choose a subclass, but neither will max out. Oh, yeah. Gonna wield an axe. That's also a guitar. Yeah, bro. That'll be cool. But then again, what would be even better than a guitar as a bard? Cowbell. Fuck, I'd smash the shit out of a cowbell if I was the bard of the crew. That'll be me if I was ever in a band. Chuck me on the cowbell, guys. Chuck me on the cowbell. I play a Bard Smith on Elder Scroll Online. Is that a thing? True. I haven't played this so online. Yo, Locke and Jaden. Thank you very much for the Elder Harm brothers. So that's the clean side that we've done. This side here. And this is the side we're cleaning, okay? So we still got to do the face too. Well, I got a fuck all from the pack. Oh. There we go. So this is the side that we've cleaned, guys. This one here. So that's the side that we've cleaned. And this is the side we're cleaning currently, okay? So the face is not fully molded as opposed to this one. So that's pretty much all we're up to right now. Oi, Peter. Hey, Peter. Thank you very much for the galaxy, Peter. Thank you, brother. Thank you, kind sir. Appreciate that, brother. That's very kind of you, my bro. So what we're gonna do now is have a bit of a break, a bit of a smoko, okay? Smoko break. Now, for lunch, we are having a bumper bar. If anyone has a cousin that works for Bumper Bar, can I have a pack of these, please? These are my favorite, bro. Thank you, brother Peter. Love your art. Cheers, my bro. And we're having one up and go protein energizer thingy, banana flavor. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a break. Get some fuel in. Thank you very much, Noel, for the roses, my bro. Thank you, brother. Hiya. Get it in ya. Yeah, my bro. One thing I've been wanting is steak sandwich, eh? Steak sandwich is something I've been wanting for a while. These are the eyes, bro. Thank you, Andre. Kia ora, bro, for the raise. Yeah, what's in this one? There's like granola, chocolate pieces, and some other stuff. Pretty much, yeah, granola bar. I like them. These are my go-to on we go on driving trips pretty much. I'll just get one of these, bro, and then I'm sweet for the whole ride. Yeah, I've been seeing the latest craze about some protein iced coffee thing. It's the white bottle, eh? I think it's in Australia. What's the dealio with those, my bro? Are they just that nice? You been hitting the gym? Yeah. I want to see if my wife's so good.
I need you to oil this man right now.
he's getting sick, guys. Thank you very much, the Taco King. Ooh, the Taco King. Yo, brother Crazy2515, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, she's starting to get sick. Not good. They're pretty good. Smooth compared to the other iced coffees they got there. Yeah, yeah. I've been seeing a lot of people talking about them lately. Mm. That would be a great spot to put a barbecue. It'll get stolen that night. 100%. Doom Egg, hello. Kia ora. Yeah, I don't stay in a good neighborhood, bro. I swear, you know, the methylated spirits around here, you know, the people that indulge in METH would give Method Man a run for his money for the name. They'd probably trademark that name harder than the actual Method Man. I'll tell you that much. I'm bored, go for a run. What's up, Ray? What's up, Real Inspire? Kia ora, kia ora. Hello. Yeah, if you're bored, go for a run. Man. Did you get your sandwich yet? Not yet, my bro. Not yet. I still remember. I've been waiting to see the perfect sandwich that costs $5. Whenever he's sitting with me now, yeah, just if he says he's bored, just go for a run, go on. Hey Sia, how you doing? In Michigan, I've seen some crazy shit. Ah, you would have found some shit, hey. You would have found some shit if you do pest control, my bro. What's it like working in pest control, bro? Do you find some absolute bloody monsters as well? Yeah, do you find some absolute monsters in pest control, my bro? Do you enjoy what you do? I've been doing it for about 22 years. And there's never been a day where I've been bored of it. Oh yeah, people have had some bugs all over. True. Fuck that, eh? If I was in pest control and I saw some shit like that, I was like, you gotta burn the whole house down and start again. The only way to fix this problem, burn the whole house down. Wait for it. Get a pump action, deal with the bug, then burn the house down, then rebuild it. That would be my advice. Terrified of bed bugs? What do bed bugs actually look like? One time with my grandfather we were hunting and we stopped next to the river so he could have a sleep, and I just played in the river. And then I went back and there was this big weta on his face. And I left it there until he woke up. And then when I was at the river just throwing rocks in the river and looking for eels, I just heard this no! And yep, I was like, oh, Koro's awake. See, I wasn't grabbing that shit, man. I'd leave it on his face. Fuck that. Yeah, it was a big sucker, man. It was a big one. I was like, hell no, I'm not touching that thing, man. Hell no. Then I heard the girliest scream ever I could hear from him, and I went, oh, he's awake. Yeah, so that's all we're up to right now. Like, yeah, man, fuck that. That's his problem. Yeah, that's all we're up to, guys. Pretty much, Burnsy. That was pretty much what I was thinking, bro. Like, I'm good, big dog. That's all you, big dog. Is it expensive getting into this hobby? For the chisels, it can be. So those are the most expensive thing when it comes to, I would say, wood carving as a whole, are your chisels. But I started pretty much on your typical like hardware store ones to learn how to carve with the chisel first. So that's pretty much what I started with. Fuck, I'm getting cold. I'm starting to get the shivers. Skinny people things. Nah. Yeah, I'm still adjusting to being smaller in the winter. We are missing the insulation though. Whee. Thank you, Chris and Feros Ferio. Did I say that right? I hope I did, my brother. My brother. Love your vibes. Appreciate you, brother James. Thank you, my brother. Yo, Ice, thank you for the donut. Okay. I'm just trying to regulate my temperature so we can carry on. Is that Tai Tuivasa? That dude is an actual fighter. T-shirt under hoodie if you could, it helps. I have a long sleeve under my hoodie. Yeah, I have a long sleeve. Shit, I might have to invest in some long johns. If you don't know what those are, you're too young. Those were the lifesavers when we were kids, chat, the long johns. Need some star jumps. Damn, dude, it's like that over there. Yeah, it's getting cold, my bro. My man's in Rotorua in winter, bro. You're getting some merino skivvies. Yeah. That's what babies got. They got all merino skivvies. But yeah, it's starting to feel, you know, the winter's bite. But yeah, I'd rather this over summer any day, I won't lie. That clip of your kid saying Isfan was you was funny as true, bro. Yeah. That was my big girl, bro. Yeah, when she was a baby. It's crazy to think how long ago that was. Where you based at? I live in Rotorua. Rotorua, my bro. But yeah, this place is like a bowl, bro. So all the cold just sits in here. And like even in the summer, the heat, boom, it sits in there as well. And it doesn't help with all the geothermal because, you know, it goes around the city and everything. The geothermux. And I guess the hard part too is all we're doing today is kind of just push cleaning. There's not really much movement going on with the body or anything like that. It's Papa. Yeah. She was cute as back then. Now she's gotten a bit older and she's got opinions. She's fucking annoying. How do you pronounce your name? Brox. The H and the underscore is just there to look cool. That, like, I'm not even lying. Yeah, I pretty much just, I just spelt Brox, but in a different way, because Broxigar is my favourite character. Yeah, man, when the kids get older and then, you know, they start to have opinions of their own, wee, law. Remember me and her had an argument about the 2 times table. And I stood on business. I went, count in the 2 times table then. 1, 2, wrong! Listen to the pro. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then I went. It's me and my eldest daughter, man. We're always W chasing against one another. Like even we were playing basketball, like we were just going for hoops, eh? And she got one inside the ring, and I went to the half court, and I went, ugh, you can't do that because you're not strong enough to throw that far. Create art opposite side of the earth in real time. Keep going and don't stop. Your skill is amazing, and I hope you make hundreds more. Appreciate you, brother. Cheers, my bro. Now, of course, my bro. We'll go for as long as people enjoy it on online, my bro. In terms of life, I will not stop doing this until I'm old and I can't hold my tools anymore, brother. That's the plan. That's the plan. Even another time. Thank you very much, T, for the Bravo. Sorry, my eldest challenged me to to Tekken of all things. I went, do you know what you're stepping into? You're challenging me at Tekken. I've been playing this since the 90s. She's going, oh, it can't be that hard. So choose anyone, and I'll play King. Done the grapple combos on both the rounds till I won. And I mean, once again, don't challenge me at these, you'll lose. And I'm that dad that will make you lose. No mercy in games with dad, baby, because I will go for the W every time. Every time. Yeah, I'm that kind of dad when it comes to that, man. No mercy, bro. Destroy. I will destroy you. Pretty much, my bro. No, didn't you used to stream on Twitch? I am currently live on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. I may have to finish up soon just because my wife's not feeling too well. I might try and come back later tonight. Yeah, I might actually finish up soon just because my wife's not feeling too good. And I'm that guy. When I know my wife's not feeling good, you know, I want to be there. I want to be there for her. So we may we may have an early finish just for today, just so I can look after her, okay? She's just got the chills all of a sudden when I went in to check her. So I hope that's okay with you guys. What's up, show? Jessica Run, thank you very much for the dinosaur. Yeah, I hope that's okay with you guys. I do apologize, it's not our usual 3 hour. So yeah, I think for now we'll finish up all the streams that we're on. I'll raid out the other channels, okay? So for now, stay there, Twitch and Kick, so I can raid off, okay? How many people we got, Razor? TikTokies have a good one, okay? I'm sorry I'm gonna finish up sooner, just because I want to go look after my wife. Thank you very much, YouTube. Have a good one.